Hi, I'm Brooke from Start at Home, and today I wanted to show you how we brought our deck back to life. First, I started out by removing everything from the deck. Next, I used the hose to get any old paint off. I also used it to remove any remaining dirt and grime. To paint the deck, I used SuperDeck by Sherwin Williams. This paint is made to seal up old, worn wood. It is a gritty, thick paint, so to apply it, you want to use a roller and a brush. I started with the pergola, so if I dripped any paint onto the floor, it didn't matter. Because let's be honest, I'm a pretty messy painter. Since SuperDeck is thick and gritty, I found it easy to paint with, as I didn't have to worry about it running as easily and it covered well. Once the pergola was complete, I started on the railings. I found it easiest to paint the railings with a paintbrush. Tori even pitched in to help paint the railings. She also liked painting with this paint. Now that the pergola and railings are done, it is time to paint the floor and stairs. I used a paint roller to apply the paint. As you can see, it is rolling on nicely and covering great, especially for a white paint.